I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we can be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us, something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying.
Hey guys, so it's been a while since I've uploaded. I'm so sorry about that. I've literally been addicted to gaming, that's the reason, and also because I didn't like this drawing at all. And I wasn't originally planning to actually upload it because I didn't like it. That's what I do to all my drawings that I actually don't like. But then I ran to an art block and I couldn't draw. So I had to complete this drawing and I had to upload it, but sadly I messed up the background, I messed up quite a bit of things, and here we are. This drawing looks trash. That's why I titled the video, what am I doing with my life? Creative, right? Maybe, I'm not sure. But I actually don't really have much to say about this drawing right now, so I'm just gonna let the video play out. Goodbye, peace.
For the stars, but we're making this too hard.